Hi everybody, I wanted to talk to you today. Your tip for today, I'm Barbara Field, writinglifestories.com, and I wanted to talk to you about the difference between story and craft. My classes teach you with a methodology that's based on your stories. They're your memories, conversations, and you write it as if you're having a conversation with me. Most memoir classes teach you more about the craft of writing. The characters, the dialogue, the plot, changing the tenses, making it stronger. Let's read some books, that kind of thing. So for story, I help you put all your stories together so that you can create your memoir. So if you're interested in writing a memoir, you could check out my website, writinglifestories.com, or Eventbrite, where I offer my classes through them, and Zoom mostly, or also YouTube. Have a great day.